Welcome to good old RV cooking. Thought I'd throw together a air fried chicken thigh sandwich today. And first we're going to throw down a couple slices of butter. Throw the sesame seed buns on top, move them around, get that butter all soaked in. Then we're just going to let those go for a little while. And I had already preheated the skillet, and so that's all good. Here's the air fried chicken thighs that I cooked at 400 for 20 minutes before I started. And then here's some shredded lettuce I'm going to use, and some ketchup, some yellow mustard, and some sweet relish. Of course, you got to have beefsteak tomatoes. And a little bit something different, I'm throwing some Pico de Galo on there because it has much better flavor than onions by themselves. So here's a good look. You can see I'm almost out of it because I eat it on almost everything. And so here we go. Time to put this baby together. First we're going to lay down a little bit of ketchup. I think that's what I plan on doing. Just a little bit on our toasted sesame seed buns. Then on top of the ketchup, I'm going to throw a little bit of shredded lettuce. Then we can't forget that beefsteak tomato slice. Covers the whole bun. I love those things. A little bit of yellow mustard on top of the tomato. See, with me, I stack everything onto one side. And then I just put the top bun over the top of everything. It makes it easier for me. Everyone does it different. A little bit of sweet relish. And like magic, 1, 2, you beat me. Like magic, the chicken flies on there. And we put the Pico de Galo on there, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Then we put the other bun right over the top of all that, and there we have our air fried chicken thigh sandwich. Oh, wait a minute, what's that? Got it. Yum. So good, so good. This sandwich is so moist. You don't need to add anything to make it moist. It is just moist from the vegetables and the little bit of condiments that we put on there. So good. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.